Hello and welcome students. This is a lecture on straight lines from 11th standard. And in earlier lectures of straight line, we have done the basics. In this lecture, we are solving problems. Basically, we are solving problems based on equation of lines. You know, when you say equation of lines, you basically work on equation of lines which are parallel to x-axis, which are going to be this way. Then you also get the equation of lines which are parallel to y-axis, which are basically such lines. And then you have those lines which are neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis, such lines. Now listen students, the equation of such lines can be given in various forms, and from those, few of the forms that we have done was slope point form. Slope point form. Then second is 2-point form. The third one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Then you have slope intercept form, and the fourth one you have is double intercept form. I'm just writing the name. I did not write the actual forms. Now, why these names? Why these names? See, when you say slope point form of equation of a line, basically what you mean is you are given slope of the line and 1 point on the line. When you say 2-point form, you actually mean is you are given 2 points on the line. In slope intercept form, you are given slope of the line and y-intercept of the line. Double intercept form, you are given x-intercept as well as y-intercept of the line. Now we have solved good number of questions. There are a few more questions that we are working on right now. And this part of the exercise, it's going to be more based on the different forms, equation of lines in different forms. So we have already done up to fifth, question number fifth, fourth. This is 5.3 exercise that we are working on. We have done up to fifth, fourth. Okay, this much we have done. We have to start with fifth, that is fifth E. 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D we have done. We are going on 5E. So let us begin with 5E. Okay, so here we have question 5E. See, what does it say? It says that, remember one thing, students, that always when you say a question is always in the beginning. Okay, so here is the question. What is it? The question is, find the equation of the line containing the point A43. What is meaning of containing the point? When you read the word containing the point, you should understand that point A43 lies on the line. See, suppose there is a line here. This is something like this. You have a line, and then you have the point A43 on the line. You have point A43 on the line. See students, you know that on a line there are infinite points. So when one of the point is on the line, what you can say? You can say that point lies on the line. You can say point A, see, you can say point A lies on the line. You can say point A is contained, it is contained by the line, lies on the line. You can say point A is contained by the line. You see that? So all these things you can say, but in either case, remember, it only means that this point A is one of the point on the line. It is one of the point on the line. What further have they said? Dear students, they're saying that containing the point A43, line is containing the point A43, and having inclination 120 degree. What is meaning of inclination of a line? See, inclination of the line is 120 degree. We know that inclination of a line is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, with the positive direction of x-axis. So I will solve this problem. I want you all to see this. So see, you got your y-axis, you got your x-axis, okay? And then what you have the point A43. So see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So this point is A43. Here you have point A43. This is point A4, comma 3. Very good. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is origin. Now, see students, the line is having this point, containing this point, and its inclination is 120 degree. What does it mean? See, this is what it will mean. You see this? This is how the line is. Line is containing the point A43. This is point A. Let me name it as A. It is containing the point A43 and its inclination is 120 degree. You know the meaning of inclination. Inclination is angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. Please understand, if this angle, if say this is a particular line, try to understand, if this is one line, then this is the inclination, the angle made by the line with the positive of x-axis. You see this? If I had stopped here, say if I had stopped here, then inclination would have been this much. Inclination would have been this much. This much would have been the inclination. This is somewhere close to say 50 degree. Okay. If I had stopped somewhere here, say if this is the angle, always it will start with the positive of x-axis. If I stop somewhere, say, if I stop somewhere, say here, then this is inclination. And how much is this? This is somewhere close to 80 degrees. So like this, what is happening? The actual line that we have, which is passing through 4, comma 3, it has the inclination 120 degree. It has the inclination 120 degree. If the inclination is 120 degree, remember that theta is 120 degree. I will write here, given inclination equals to 120 degree. Therefore, I will write theta equals to 120 degree. I need slope. You all know if inclination is 120 degree, then slope is tan of theta, that is tan of 120 degree. Okay, I can write tan 120 degree as, see here, this is 120 degree. Students, I can write this as 120 degree, I can write 90 degree plus 30 degree. And as you all know, students, when you have 90 degree plus 30 degree, this is one time of 90 degree. It is one time of 90 degree. So it is an odd multiple of 90 degree. What will happen? This tan will become cot and 30 degree. Whenever we have an odd multiple multiplied, the trigonometric ratio will change. So tan will become cot and 30 degree. Further, we will now go for the sign, that is positive or negative. Please understand, 90 degree plus 30 degree. This will take the complete angle in second quadrant. It is in second quadrant. So here, see, I have the angle in second quadrant. 90 plus 30. Where is the angle? Where is the angle? 90 plus 30. See, this is 90 plus 30. This angle is in second quadrant. This angle is 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree. And when angle is in second quadrant, then for such angle, tan is negative. Because the angle is in second quadrant, we know all sine tan cos. Add sugar to coffee. For such angle, only sine is positive and cosec is positive. Tan is negative. So here we got tan of 90 plus 30. What will that be equal to? That will be equal to negative. So see here, I write minus. What is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is root 1 upon root 3. So cot 30 degree will be root 3. Minus of cot 30. Cot 30 is root 3. So I got the slope, which is m. I got the slope as minus root 3. Now, now I have the slope of this line. See, this line, do I have the slope? Yes. Do I have a point? Yes. How will I write the equation? I will write the equation in slope point form. I will write the equation in slope point form. So this is the solution for fifth E. In the next step, what I do, I write here. Therefore, I write, therefore, the equation of line can be given in slope point form, as follows. Okay. What is slope point form? You all know that. You all know slope point form. You will all solve this and pause the video, solve this and come back to see the solution. Thank you. So here we will have the equation in slope point form, and that will be y minus y1, that is y minus 3 equals to m minus root 3 into x minus x1, that is x minus 4. So you have y minus 3 equals to minus root 3x plus 4 root 3. Okay, next what I will do, see, I want to write the answer in having x coefficient positive. So you know what I will do? I will take everything on the left hand side. So see, this will become root 3x plus y minus 4 root 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, remember students, you cannot simplify this further. Why? Because one of them is irrational, 4 root 3, and this is rational. Okay, you cannot do anything to this. 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 minus 3 is the final constant part that you will have. So this is, you will write, this is the required, this is the required equation. This is the equation of required line or of line. Final answer we have got it. I hope it's clear to you all. So students, the next question is fifth F. See what does it say? The fifth F question is, find the equation of the line passing through the origin. The line is passing through the origin, okay, and which bisects the portion of the line 3x plus y equals to 6, which bisects the portion of the line 3x plus y equals to 6 intercepted between the coordinate axis. So students, you need to first understand the diagram of this question. Once you have understood the diagram, solving will become automatically very easy. Okay, so let me first take you to the diagram. This is your y-axis. This is x-axis. What are they saying? They're saying that line is passing through the origin. So where will my origin be? Here is the origin. This point is origin. You see this line is passing through the origin O. This is y-axis, x-axis. Okay, so they have said something more, and that needs to be followed. They say line passing through origin and which bisects the portion of the line. See, there is one line 3x plus y equal to 6. Please understand students, they are talking about a line. Please, this is a a line which they are talking about. They say find the equation of the line passing through origin and which, by writing which, what they mean? They mean the line which is passing through the origin. They mean the line which is actually whose equation you are finding. They're saying which bisects the portion of this line. There is one more line. Okay. So first, you know what I will do? I will draw this line here. So let me draw this line somewhere. So 3x plus y equals to 6. So I will have, see, this is the line. This is the line I have, okay? This is the lines I have. This line, I write this line as 3x plus y equals to 6. This is the line 3x plus y equal to 6. Okay, so beside this line, I'm writing its equation. You know, every line has equation. Okay, so students, if you are thinking that, sir, how do you know the line is going to be like this? Okay, you can always ask me, how do you know that this line is to be drawn this way? Because why did not you draw the line? Why did not you draw the line this way? Why did not you draw the line this way or this way? What made you draw the line the way you have drawn? See, I have an answer for that, and I will definitely give you the answer. Okay, wait. See here, everyone. What am I supposed to do? What is my aim here? My aim is to find the equation of a line which is passing through the origin and which bisects the portion of this line intercepted between the coordinate axis. So see, students, the actual line whose equation I have to find, it has not yet come in the picture. No, it is now will come. Okay, see, this is that line which is passing through the origin, and bisecting this line. And bisecting it. See, this is that line. You can check what is happening. The portion intercepted between the coordinate axis is this portion. Let me call this as point B. This is point A. This is point B and A. So what is AB? AB is the portion. AB is the portion intercepted. AB is the portion intercepted by 3x plus y equal to 6. AB is the portion intercepted by 3x plus y equals to 6 between the coordinate axis. See here, axis. I'm not writing axis. It is not one, it is two, plural axis, x and y both. See, this line is cutting which line? This line. 3x plus y equals to 6. This line is cutting x-axis and y-axis both. It is cutting y-axis at B, it is cutting x-axis at A, and AB is the portion intercepted between the coordinate axis, between them. See, this is the portion intercepted between coordinate axis. And what is this point? This point is point M, which is the midpoint of AB. It is the midpoint of AB. Okay. The question is how I knew that 3x plus y equal to 6 will be this way. See, I will tell you. You know what I did? In this equation, I put x equals to 0. Literally, I did that. I did not tell you, but I did that in my mind. I put x 0. When I put x 0, what will happen? This will go 0. 0 into 3, 0. I will get y equal to 6. I got y value 6. So I understood that I understood that 0, comma 6 is 1 point on the line. I understood 0, comma 6 is 1 point on the line. I understood that y-intercept is 6. I understood that y-coordinate of this point where line is cutting y-axis is 6. So 0, comma 6. Then what I did? Then I substituted in this equation, I substituted y equals to 0. After putting x0, I got y. Now I will put y0. I substituted y0, I got x is equal to, I substituted y equals to 0. And when I substituted y as 0, what do I get? I get x is equal to 2. Okay, but I have made a mistake. So see here, if y is 0, guys, look at this. If y is 0, x is 2. In that case, my dear students, how should, what will be the, x intercept? 2. So I understand 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0 is a point on the line. So the line is not this way, rather the line is this way. So my dear students, the line which I have drawn is also not correct. How is the line? Line is this way. Okay, this is the line. It's always okay, no worries. No worries. So what I will do, I will rectify my mistake, just rectify. So B is 0, 6. B is 0, 6. How do you get this point? By putting x0, you will get the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 6, so 0, comma 6. And by putting y0, you will get the x-intercept. This is A. You are putting y0, so x is 2, 2, comma 0. And how is the required line? The required line is passing through the midpoint. It bisects the portion of the line intercepted between coordinate axes. What portion is intercepted between coordinate axes? This portion. Now you bisect it. You will bisect it. So let us bisect it now. See, this is the line. One thing you have to all remember, students, that the diagram is not necessary. You must be thinking that if it is not necessary, then why are you drawing it? See, I'm drawing it because I want to teach you. If I draw it and explain it to you, you will understand it properly. So now the another question that you all must be getting, is it possible to solve it without the diagram? Definitely yes. Definitely yes. So see here, once again, what I had to do, students, what I had to do here, find the equation of the line passing through the origin and passing through the origin and bisect the portion of the line 3x plus y equal to 6 intercepted between the coordinate axis. This is the line 3x plus y equal to 6. Okay. Students, this is that point through which the required line is passing. See, this is required line. I will write it as L. Required line means the line whose equation we have to find. We have to find equation of L. Now, L is passing through origin. So, 0, comma 0 is 1 point on the line. 0, comma 0 is 1 point on the line. And M is also a point on the line. M. What is M? M is midpoint of AB. So I will apply midpoint formula. See here, I will write by midpoint formula. By midpoint formula. What is this formula? If you know the coordinates of extreme points of a segment, you can get the coordinate of the midpoint. So see, M, the coordinates of M will be as follows. See, the x coordinate, before comma, the x coordinate. After comma, the y coordinate. What will be the x coordinate of M? See, what are the extreme points? The extreme points are A and B. So, x coordinate of A, 2 plus x coordinate of B, 0 upon 2. So, x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now, let's go for the y coordinate. Y coordinate of M will be y1, that is 0 plus y2. Y2 is 5. Sorry, no, 5, 6. This is 6. I'm sorry. This is 6. Y2 is 6. 0 plus 6 upon 2. 0 plus 6 upon 2. So what is M? You have M as 2 upon 2. 1, 6 upon 2 is 3. 1 comma 3 is M. You got the coordinates of M. Now see students, look at the required line. Is this green line the required line? Is this green line the required line? No. This line is already given to us. Its equation we already have. The red line is the required line. How do I solve? How do I get the equation of red line? I will get it in 2-point form. Yes, 2-point form. Why? Because I know 2 points on the line. I know M and I know origin. Okay. So this you will now do by 2-point form. Let us complete this. So here I write equation in 2-point form. See, equation in 2-point form, I will write. Let me first make a background. Now I will write equation of required line can be given in 2-point form as follows. See here, y minus y1. I take origin coordinates as x1, y1. See, these are x1, y1. Okay, and point M coordinates as x2, y2. Okay, so y minus y1. See, these are x1, y1, and here I have x2, y2. So I will write y minus 0 equals to m into x minus 0. Remember students, in place of m, I'm not writing the slope given because slope is not given. We are going to calculate the slope by using the 2 points. What is it? Y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is 3 minus 0 upon 1 minus 0. So what I get? Y equals to 3 upon 1, 3 upon 1 into x. That is y equals to 3x. That is 3x minus y equals to 0. This is the required equation of the line. This is the equation of the required line. You can write this is equation of required line. Please do it. So students, look at this question number 6. What does it say? It says that line y equals to mx plus c passes through the point A21, B32. Determine the value of m and c. How easy this is. How easy. See, there is a line which is y equals to mx plus c. Okay. They say this line passes through these 2 points. What does it mean? It means something like this. Suppose this line is here. Okay. And these 2 points are on the line. A is 2, 1 and B is 3, 2. So what does it actually mean? Please understand, students. This line has equation y equal to mx plus c. This line has equation y equals to mx plus c. There are infinite points on the line. Please understand that it is infinite points which will make a line. Now, of those infinite points, we know the 2 points. We know 2 points. These are the 2 points. See, y equals to mx plus c is a family of infinite members. It is a family of infinite members. And these all members, they make a line. And of these infinite members, we know 2 individuals. We know A and we know B. Yes. Now tell me, students, if this point A and B are lying on the line, they have to satisfy the equation of the line. You know it. This we had done in locus. You remember locus? In locus, what we had said? What is a locus? A locus is set of points satisfying a geometrical condition. So remember, this line which you have here, this is also a locus. In locus, what we have studied? We have studied if a point lies on a locus, if a point lies on a locus, then the coordinates of that point, will satisfy the equation of the locus. If a point lies on the locus, then the coordinates of the point will satisfy equation of the locus. Okay. So students, if you have not written this, if you are not knowing it, I would suggest you that you please copy this statement from the board in your notebook. Remember, here in this study, locus will be replaced by straight line. What we will say? If a point lies on a straight line, then the coordinates of the point will satisfy the equation of the straight line. If we have a circle, then locus will be replaced by circle and so on. Okay. So I would suggest you please write this particular statement. Please do it now. So students, now we are going to apply this concept here. Okay. What if a point lies on the locus, then the coordinates of that point will satisfy the equation of locus. Look at this, students. What is the equation of this straight line? Y equal to mx plus c. Point A lies on this line. So the coordinates of A, 2, 1 will satisfy this equation, yes or no? Yes, sir. So see here, I will write the given line is, okay, just let me put some demarcation so that I can distinguish. So here I write the given line is y equals to mx plus c. This is equation number 1. Then I will write point A to 1 will satisfy, okay, will satisfy the equation of line. What is meaning of point A will satisfy equation of line? It means the x value here can be, we can replace this x by x coordinate, and we can replace this y by y coordinate. That is what it means. Okay. So I will write point, I wrote point A21 will satisfy the equation of line. Therefore, we get, see what I will get. Replace y by 1, y coordinate of A, and x by 2. So what you will get here 1 equals to m into 2, m into 2 plus c. That is 2m plus c equals to 1, equation number 2. I got one equation which has m and c in it, and this equation I got when I used point A. There is one more point I will write. Similarly, point B 3, 2 will satisfy will satisfy the equation of line. Why it will satisfy? Because point B lies on the line. So the coordinates of the point will satisfy the equation of the line. What does that mean? In the equation of line, where I have x, I can put x coordinate and y is replaced by y coordinate. So 2 equals to, see, y, I replace by y coordinate. 2 equals to m into 3 plus c. So 3m plus c is equal to 2, equation number 3. Tell me, students, can you now solve these two equations simultaneously? Definitely, yes. 2m plus c is 1, 2m and 3m plus c is 2. You will solve these two equations. You will get the value of m and c. Please do it fast. Do it fast. So students, you have to solve these two equations simultaneously. When you do that, you will get m is equal to 1 and c is equal to -1. Okay, these two values you will get. I'm sure you will all do it on your own. Thank you. Now we will go to the next question and see what is this question. Number 7. Question number 7 here says that find the equation of line having inclination 135 degrees. Okay, the line is having inclination 135 degrees. You can understand, whenever you talk about inclination of a line, what is it all about? It is, inclination of a line is the angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So you know, I will first have the coordinate axis. See, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, what are they saying? They're saying that line is having inclination of 135 degrees. Okay, so guys, look at this. If I have to make an angle 135 degree with, I'm not drawing the line. Please understand, I am not drawing the line. What I'm doing, I am just telling you what will be inclination 135 degrees. See, inclination is angle made by the positive direction of x-axis. So, you know, see, this is how it will be. See, this is how it will be. The angle made by positive direction of x-axis. See, this is 90, and here you have 90 plus 45, 135. This is how the inclination. See, this inclination is 135 degree. Okay. So our line is also having such an inclination. Okay. But here there is something that we need to be noting down. What? See, it says find the equation of find the equation of the line having inclination 135 and making x-intercept 7. What is the meaning of x-intercept of a line? What is x-intercept of a line? See, x-intercept of a line is the number on x-axis where line cuts x-axis. Okay, it is the number where line cuts x-axis. So somewhere 7 you will have. Somewhere 7 you will have. Definitely yes. You have 7 somewhere. So see on the x-axis, say you have 7 here. So what is happening? Line is having x-intercept 7. It means line is cutting x-axis at this point. You see this? Okay. And it's why it see you can ask me how you know that line is like this. Okay. How you know that line is not like it is past 3. Y intercept 7. How you know that 9 is not like this? Why the line is not like this? Because I know its inclination is 135 and this is 135 degree, more than 90 degrees. This is 135 degree. If the line was the blue line, its inclination is 45 degree. So here I will have such a line. Okay, fine. This is 135 degree. This is inclination, which is always denoted by theta. Okay. Now, students, you have to tell me something here. Students, see this point where the line is cutting x-axis, this number is 7 because the x-intercept is 7. So if I write this point as point A, if I write the point as A, then the coordinates of this point is 7, 0. So what I can now say, I can say that I have a point on the line. So the only thing now I need is what? Slope of the line. So see students, how I write? I write inclination of line. See my solution begins. Now begins the solution. I write inclination of line equals to 135 degree, that is equal to theta. Then I will write therefore slope of line equals to tan of theta, which is tan of 135 degree. You know what I will do? I will write 135 degree as 90 degree plus 45 degrees. Okay. Now see, 90 is nothing but 1 time 90. It is odd multiple of 90. So tan will become cot and here you will have 45. And which quadrant this is in? This is in second quadrant. So what you will do? You will write negative. Tan in second quadrant. Tan in second quadrant is negative. So it is minus cot. What is cot 45? It is 1 upon tan 45. So 1 upon 1 is 1. Minus 1 is the slope. So you got slope of the line. Slope, that is m. M is minus 1. Now, how will I write the equation of this line? We can write the equation in slope point form. Therefore, the equation of line in slope point form is what it is? Y minus y1, y minus 0 equals to n. N is minus 1 into x minus 7. So what do you have? You have y minus 0, that is y equals to minus of x minus 7. That is y equals to minus x plus 7. That is x plus y minus 7 equals to 0. This is equation of the required line. This is equation of required line. Please write it. So students, see here, question number 8. It's a very simple question. See, question number 8. What are they saying? They are saying the vertices of a triangle are A34, B20, C minus 1, 6. So what I will do, first I will draw a rough sketch of a triangle. So I drew triangle ABC and the vertices, I have written the coordinates. Students, you know that every point has X and Y coordinates. So as this point A, B and C, because they are also vertices of the triangle. What they ask us is find the equations of the lines containing first side BC. Understand, my dear students, understand this. You have to get equation of a line which contains this side BC. You know what does it mean? It means that one such line whose one part is BC. You see this? is BC is a part of that line. This line is infinite line. This line is infinite line, and this BC is only a part of that line. You got that? So how will you find the equation of line which contains side BC? Very simple. To find the equation of line which contains side BC, you will have to find the equation of BC. What you will do? You will find the equation of side BC. Can you find the equation of side BC? Very well. How? You know 2 points on this. You will use 2-point form. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. What is m here? You can't substitute directly. You will write y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You will write y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. But this m you will write y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is from the given 2 points. I hope you will all be able to do it. Okay. Then we have to find equation of median AD, the median AD. See here, students, we have to find the equation. We have to find the equations of the lines containing the median AD. You know what? They are saying find the equation of the line which contains the median AD. How do I get median AD first of all? See, median AD is when you join the vertex A with the midpoint of BC, so that becomes median AD. This D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So can I calculate the coordinates of D? D is midpoint of BC. That's how you get the median. How do you get the median? You join the vertex A with the midpoint of BC, which is D. You get the median AD. Can you get the midpoint D? Yes, it will be, D will be the sum of x coordinates of B and C divided by 2. So see here, D, the coordinates will be by midpoint formula 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1 upon 2 and 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6 upon 2. What is 2 plus minus 1? It is 1. So 1 by 2, comma, 6 by 2 is 3. 1 by 2, comma, 1 by 2, comma 3. So here you got 1 by 2, comma 3. See, you got D. Now, what you have to do, you have to get the equation of a line which contains this median AD. Can you get it? Yes. You have to get the equation of this line. This line. You see this? You have to get the equation of this line which contains AD. That is the line on which the median AD lies. The line on which the median AD lies. How will you get the equation of this line? This line equation you will get. This line equation you will get by finding the equation of AD, and that we will do by 2-point form. Again, you will do 2-point form. After that, what they say? The C, the third one, the C part, they say find the equation of the lines containing the midpoints of side AB and BC. Midpoints of side AB and BC. I will get the midpoint of side AB. Where is AB? Here is AB. So I'll get midpoint. I will call this as point P, AB. I will get the midpoint of AB. I will use the midpoint formula. Then I will get the midpoint of BC. Oh, midpoint of BC I already have, which is D. I have to get the equation of a line which contains the midpoints of side AB and BC. So, which is that line effectively? The line is this line. See, this is the line which contains the midpoint of AB and BC. I have to get equation of this line. How will I do it? Once again, see, I have the coordinates of P. That is my midpoint formula. 3 plus 2 by 2, that is 5 by 2, and 4 plus 0 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. So 5 by 2 and 2. Again, I will get the equation by 2-point formula, PD. I hope you all understood. You have to apply 2-point formula here 3 times. So this is question number 9 here, students. The question is, it says, find the x and y intercept of the line of the following lines. See, there are 2 ways you can find the x and y intercept of any line. There are 2 methods. See, first of all, understand that how do you get the x-intercept and y-intercept of a line. See, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and then there is a line. When the line is cutting y-axis, you get the y-intercept. When it cuts the x-axis, you get the x-intercept. Okay, this is how it is. Now listen, when the line is cutting y-axis, this point, the coordinate, x coordinate will be 0, 0. So, if you know the equation of line, in that equation, you put x value 0, whatever y you get, it will become the y-intercept. Furthermore, here is the point from where you are going to get the x-intercept. This point is on x-axis, so the y coordinate is 0 for this point. If you put y coordinate, if you put y value 0 in the equation of line, whatever x you get by solving is the x-intercept. This is one method. This is first method. It is preferred by most of the students. You know what? See, for example, I take this question. What I will do, I will put x0, put x0, put x0 here. When x is 0, you get minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. See, x is 0, gone, so minus 3y plus. So minus 3y equals to minus 12, y is equal to 4, so y-intercept is 4. Now put y0 in this, put y0, put y0. So 2x plus 12 is 0. Y is gone. So x is equal to minus 6. You got x-intercept minus 6. See, most of the students prefer this method. There is nothing wrong in this method. You can also do by this method. But this is easier method. So I will suggest you can use this method. But I'm not going to use this method. Which method I will follow? I will follow the method of double intercept form equation of line. Double intercept form equation of line. So see here, I have here 9c. I will write 9c. I'm solving this for you. I'm using the second method. See, I write the given equation is, or the given line is, whatever. Line is equation is line, like that. So the given, it is 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y equals to minus 12. I'm taking this 12 on the right hand side. Okay, always keep the constant there. Now I divide both sides by minus 12. See here, I write dividing both sides by negative 12. Why divide by negative 12? Because I want to get 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. I want to get 1 on the right hand side. So see, 2x minus 3y upon minus 12 equals to minus 12 upon minus 12. What will happen now, my dear students? See, these two cancel. So you get On the right hand side, you get 1. Okay. And then left hand side, you know what? I will split this negative 12 for both the terms. I will split that negative 12 for both the terms. So I have here 2x upon minus 12 minus 3y upon minus 12. Okay, 2x upon minus 12 upon 3y upon minus 12. So see what is it. So see here, students, what am I going to get? I will get here, see, this I will get x upon minus 6. See, this is 2, this is 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and negative the sign remains as it is. X upon minus 6. And then, you know, here, see, this negative sign here will make this one a positive sign. Yes, sir. So plus here, and I have now 3y upon 12, so y upon 4 equals to 1. See, this which you notice, what is it? It is equation of line in double intercept form. I'm sorry. Equation of line in double intercept form. I will write. This is equation of line. Equation of line in double intercept form. Double intercept form. What is that double intercept form, my dear students? X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. And you all know, when you write the equation in double intercept form, then this a is the x-intercept and this b is y-intercept, right? Below x, in the denominator of x, what you have is x-intercept. In the denominator of y, what you have is y-intercept. So now I can say the x-intercept here is minus 6 and y-intercept is 4. Okay, because I have exactly the same form. Please understand, you need to have exactly the same form. So I will write therefore the x-intercept of line is therefore the x-intercept of line equals to minus 6 and y-intercept of line equals to 4.